Hey, it's Rachel Rofe, and in this video, I thought I would cover a question that comes up for a lot of people. They're not really sure who would pay for, in this case, $19.95 for a mug when there's so many cheaper options. Now, we're going to go over mugs as my example as I usually do, but you can kind of take the same line of questioning and put it to all of the other different types of products that you could sell, like shirts or coasters or journals or whatever. And I wanted to show you in this video, proof that it happens all the time that people pay these rates, and then also why they're making these purchasing decisions. A big thing I think we need to consider is that just because you might not pay for something doesn't mean that lots of other people don't. So let's dig in. First, here's someone who posted inside our group, said, I thought I had all my listings set up with free shipping. Someone just paid $27.85 for a Simply Ugly mug. Don't overthink this business, keep listing. Another person says people are paying $60 to $100 for a mug. That's not normal. I guess they needed priority and overnight deliveries and things, but that's way higher than $20. Someone else says, I really don't see any difference in sales with a higher price and higher shipping. Another one, my current FBA bestseller sells for $23.95 many times a day. You don't need to do FBA. Generally, we don't, but she says during Christmas, she sells it for $34.95. Another person says she keeps her bestseller at $22.97. Another one says, my mugs sell for more than $19.95. Don't worry about what the others are charging. If a person really likes your design, they'll buy it. Now, here's the thing. I totally agree if you are selling a mug that's very competitive, something like Funny Mug or something, or just Funny Mug for Mom. You're going to have a lot of competition, and then charging $19.95 for a mug, in that case, it's going to be a hard bargain. But what we do in our system is we go after niches. So we're going into subcategories where there's not a lot of competition. We're making a mug, for example, for someone into volleyball or writing or whatever, scrapbooking or knitting. There's less available for them, and if they're really into their niche, it's a lot more likely they'll purchase, and there's a lot less competing with your listings. Another thing is that even at $19.95, these are under $20 impulse purchases. So it's not something that a lot of people need to kind of hem and haw about. A lot of people are able to expend the $20. Not everybody, but it's something that's not crazy high considering, I mean, even if they see other mugs for $10 and they see yours for $19.95, if they like it a little bit more, it's not like it's a huge price difference where they're not willing to purchase it, as we see all the time. Also, these make very inexpensive and thoughtful gifts. We have people posting in our group a lot about how their customers will buy these for example, you can see here, someone said, I recently sold a mug to a gal who got it as an inspiration gift for her best friend who has cancer. Or another person says she has a sweet repeat customer who orders custom mugs to send to her family. Or another one bought one for her future husband. So there's things like that. And then there's also, I mean, if you don't know, for example, a lot about a person, you just know that they like scrapbooking, and you're trying to get them a gift. Getting them a scrapbooking mug, it's very thoughtful. Everyone uses a mug, and if this person likes scrapbooking, you're getting something that you know that they will actually like. So for under $20 for a thoughtful gift, I mean, people will pay it all day long. We also see that people will buy products because they want to add to a collection. It could be a mug collection, for example, for this one, but I've also seen people buy products that they just like whatever the niche that the product is about. So I remember once I had I think it was a rabbit mug, and it was super ugly, and someone ended up buying it and wrote to me and said, thank you so much for having this mug. My daughter loves rabbits, and I just had to buy it for her to add to her collection. So under $20 and you get the pride of adding it to your collection, people will do it. You know, these are also great ways for people to get to express themselves. I took a couple examples here. Someone might say, boss babe, I love birds, or whatever the niche is that they enjoy. Sometimes there's a lot of sales on political type mugs where people get to share their opinions on how they feel politically. People will pay a lot of money to express themselves. So sometimes a mug is about drinking, but sometimes it's about something that they can take to work and show off who they are, or do their Instagram pictures with their mugs and things like this. When it's not just a tool for drinking, but it's something that people get to explain themselves via, they will definitely pay a lot more. Now, inside the low-hanging course, we have a mindset section where people will ask questions and we go over kind of what the answers are. Basically, it says if you find yourself inventing reasons why low-hanging isn't going to work for you, here's kind of what some members say. So let me actually walk you through what some members have said here about this exact question. So here is one person. He says, if you only put mugs up that everyone else has, you're competing with people who are selling for less. But if you're listing consistently and working with any degree of creativity, you're going to list some mugs that will eventually sell. Another person says, for anyone worried about whether you can sell mugs when there's so many available for $9.95 or even cheaper, I just sold a 15-ounce white mug with basic text for $24.95 plus $4.95 shipping. Another person, if you're trying to compete with designs that sell for $10, you're going to fail. But if you create original designs, and by designs he means text, you're offering unique products. People aren't buying mugs. They're buying things that give them a good feeling. As long as the price doesn't shock them, $30 would probably shock most people for a mug, you're probably fine. From Adam, people buy my mugs at $19.95 all the time. These products aren't nearly as price sensitive as you might think. Here's when I raised my prices by $5. I had announced my sale ends February 15 minutes ago. I got a sale. I mean, you can see lots and lots of people here saying that they get sales on $19.95. Here's one. Before I started Low Hanging System, I bought a $25 mug on Amazon for my daughter for Christmas because I liked the way the phrase was designed. And then we have a ton more screenshots from people who have been posting about the sales that they're making. So it's not just me, it's also the members that have real world experience. And as I mentioned in a video, more and more people are buying. More and more people since quarantine have gotten accustomed to purchasing online. More and more people will be there scooping up these $19.95 mugs. So if you're a member of Low Hanging, I hope that you're enjoying it. Please make sure to keep listing your products. Don't worry about the pricing. And if you're not yet a member, I will drop a link underneath this video where you can learn more and possibly sign up. All right, hope this helps. Have a great rest of your day.